It doesn't matter if you are a car enthusiast or you just fancy the look of a very exquisite car. Today, we'll show you insanely cool cars and their jaw-dropping prices. Hi, and welcome to Luxio. In this video, we're checking out the coolest and most expensive car. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you won't miss out on more of our awesome videos. Before we get to the main event, let's begin with a car that's worth $20,000. The Honda Civic. It's a pretty cool looking car that's one of the most popular small cars in the market. It offers a comfortable ride, fuel economy, and an optional turbocharged engine. Next, at $30,000, we have the Polaris Slingshot. Would you mind taking this out for a quick rosary run? It's a tri-car and the design is unique. It comes with modern technology, GPS navigation, and Apple CarPlay. This also has a bamboo braking system and lightweight rotors to improve the performance and comfort of your car. Interestingly, the Tesla Model 3 is worth $45,000. This car is popular for its autopilot feature. It has ultrasonic sensors, a 360-degree camera that gives maximum visibility. It's literally the car of the future. Next, we have the G-Wagon Mercedes-Benz. This impressive car is worth an average $130,000. The G-Wagon doesn't just look classy. It has a powerful road presence with magnificent off-road driving dynamics. Equipped with a turbocharged 8-cylinder and 4.0-liter petrol engine, it also has new features that are fully committed to comfort. Another car that's paving our way to the main event is the Audi R8. You can have this supercar for $150,000. Audi boasts its ultra-lightweight construction and high-performance capabilities with this model. Next up, we have the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. This 2021 edition is worth $200,000. This model is the most successful V10 powered Lamborghini. Its aerodynamics are refined while staying true to its design with a top speed of more than 325 kilometers per hour. McLaren comes next with a 570s model, and this is sold at $240,000. It is low, wide, but it's not difficult to drive, and it has a full automatic mode transmission with a top speed of 204 miles per hour. Now that is really fast. Now we have the Mercedes GT Black Series with a price tag of $325,000. It has a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 gas. It's a race-ready supercar with a top speed of 202 meters per hour. The AMG GT Black Series recently set the street-legal production car lap record at the Nürburgring with a time of only 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Impressive, isn't it? Next is the Rolls-Royce Dawn. This $359,000 car is a limited edition, but buyers can customize it through Rolls-Royce Bespoke program. It's a twin turbocharged 6.6-liter V12 engine. It rushes to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. It gives a different kind of comfort with its fabulous interiors and a convertible top. The Lamborghini Aventador has a starting price of $574,000, by far the most expensive Aventador in the selection. It has a unique design which is distinctive to a Lamborghini Aventador. One of the people who owns one is the famous American rapper Travis Scott. It has scissor doors, like straight out of a Transformer movie. A powerful engine with a top speed of 220 miles per hour and magnificent interiors. Now we are taking it up a notch with cars worth more than $1 million. At $1 million, we have the McLaren Senna. This McLaren Senna is a mid-engine sports car and a third edition in the McLaren Ultimate Series. Named after the famed F1 world champion driver, this car is really all about speed. It is a track-focused hypercar that offers the most intense driving experience. Next, we have the Pagani Huayra. It has a starting price of $1.5 million. With a name that comes from an Incan god, this car is inspired for a jet barreling down the runway just before taking off. With a top speed of 230 miles per hour, this 6.0-liter twin-turbo engine is really at the top of its game. An electric car produced by the British car maker Lotus, the Evija is such a magnificent creation which is sold for more than $2 million. It is known as the world's most powerful series production car, so it should deliver its 1900 horsepower. Lotus boasts that the Evija is the lightest electric hypercar yet at 3,700 pounds. To make the car more aerodynamic, it has no mirrors on the doors. Instead, cameras deploy from the front fenders while another camera built into the roof provides a central rear view. A rear wing comes up automatically when the car is put into track mode, but can also be extended whenever the driver chooses. Up next, we have the Ferrari F40 at $3.3 million. Now, this is a special Ferrari. It was designed to celebrate Ferrari's 40th anniversary and the last Ferrari automobile approved by Enzo Ferrari. It has a very classic look that's a dream for all car and racing enthusiasts. Making it on our list is the Bugatti Chiron Sport. This 3.3 million car is ideal for drivers who love cornering without pause. It has a firm chassis and the car composition is made sure to be lightweight. You get the signature luxurious look of a Bugatti that doesn't compromise speed and grip. Now that's a super sports car. What we have next is another supercar by Bugatti, the Bugatti 110, and it's worth $8.6 million. You can see a strikingly different but very amazing exterior. With a 1600 horsepower and a performance like no other, it can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Amazing, right? This sleek and powerful car is so limited that only 10 were released. Now we have the Rolls-Royce Sweeptail. Now this is really out of the ordinary. This one-of-a-kind car by Rolls-Royce screams luxury, featuring the iconic Rolls-Royce grille at the front, which is polished so well you can actually see yourself. It is meant to resemble the hull of a yacht. The large panoramic glass roof adds to the feel. The interiors are just unmatched. Put out for auction between $16 to $18 million is the famous car that was driven by the actor Steve McQueen in his movie Le Mans, the 1970 Porsche 917K. Following Le Mans, the car was repaired by the Porsche factory, rebodied as a 1917 Spider, and renumbered as Chassis 031. It was then raced in the European Inter-Series Championship from 1971 to 1973, finally being retired from competition in 1974. It then passed through multiple collections and was eventually restored to its 1970 Le Mans specifications. And now, the most awaited car is the 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO. This classic car is worth a whopping $70 million. So how did it become the most valuable car? Because of its novelty and success, the classic 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO is considered the most sought-after car in the world. When you consider the GTO's excellent appearance, seamless operations, and limited availability, it's difficult to think of another vintage automobile that can compare. So, have you found your dream car yet? Which cars do you think would be ideal for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. As always, we want to thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and check out more of our videos. See you next time!